Thank you for coming today. Oh wow.
I think I got the medium size, I'm sorry.
Yeah. Excellent, Chris. Welcome to the Bitcoin chocolate making workshop. Because it's going to get a little bit messy. It's going to get a little bit crazy. There's going to be chocolate flying everywhere. But I'm sure you guys are going to be able to handle it. It's really good. We've got a little bowl in the middle. And what we're going to do is I'm just going to pour some of this cacao butter. Now, this looks really nice, but it's not sweet, okay? This is cacao butter. And we're going to melt this down. I'm just going to pour it all in there. And you're going to stick your fingers in there and pull it out. Chocolate is really important, okay? I know it's still really important because it tastes good, but it's also very, very good for you. It's a bit like Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin's very, very good for you as well. They're both very, very similar things in that both of them used to be used as money, and they both have sort of been, what's the best word for it? They've been treated badly over the years. So with money, we've got this thing called Bitcoin. It makes money better. And with chocolate, what we're going to do is we're going to take out the sugar because the sugar's been making it bad. So yeah, the first thing we're going to do in the chocolate making process is we're going to take some cacao butter, and see how you've got 3 bowls in front of you. We're going to put 21 cacao butter buttons into one of the bowls, into one of your bowls, okay? Grab some. Oh, great. Cool. So grab 21, grab 21. Guys, it has to be 21, okay? We can't have more than 21 and we can't have less than 21. It's really important. I'll walk around it because everyone's going to be... Grab a whole handful, yeah. And they're all going to be in the one bowl, remember? They're all going to be in the one bowl. What I'm going to get you to do is take 3 spoonfuls of this, and you should have 1 bowl left with nothing in it. I want you to put 3 spoons of cacao powder in your empty bowl. So just grab your spoon, dig in there. So, see, Nini's got like about a half spoon there, okay? So maybe like 2 or even 3 times as much as that. I'd put in, yeah, grab a really, I know it's really awkward, isn't it? We're going to put hot water in our next bowl, okay? The dark stuff and the light stuff, we're going to have the sweet stuff and the bitter stuff. It's all a mixture of stuff, okay? And it's a bit like Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a real mixture of many different things, okay? Yeah. Yeah, big. And this is actually 300 times sweeter than sugar, okay? They use a bulking agent, which is called erythritol, to bring it back down to around the same sweetness of sugar, okay? But it's incredibly sweet, and some people don't particularly like the aftertaste, okay? But it's very, very, very healthy. In fact, all of these are really healthy because they don't do what sugar does, which is spike your insulin. You might have heard about GI levels and things like that. Sugar has this really bad property about it in that it spikes your insulin, and when you get really high levels of insulin being spiked, it's really unhealthy, okay? It's clean too, so just, we have some napkins here.
It cools down so quickly.
So I think now we mix it in. Yours is coming on well. Do you need more of that?
I love the chocolate.
Do you want to sit here? Just make sure you don't spill the water too much so that way.
Where you want to put it? So it makes sugar.
Okay. It's looking good, man. It's looking good. I would pour it now because it's only going to cool down. Second.
Oh no.
Thank you very much for doing this. If you've named your mould, you definitely know it's yours. And we're ready to put it into a cold area. I just don't know where that cold area is going to be. It could well
Shall I
be.
check about the fridge?
Okay.
I'll check about it.
If we don't have a fridge, outside is probably cold enough. In fact, it's definitely cold enough.
Nicely done, Roger.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Chocolate's one of those things for millennia, right? It's been a collective, communal, coming together kind of a thing, and you can feel it. It's a vibrational thing. It brings people together, and it tastes great.
Awesome. Well, now these go into the fridge, and then in an hour the kids get them, right?
Yeah.